What's up, guys? Today, I'm doing that experiment that I was talking about yesterday. I got the Ivory soap in the microwave. No, the person I watched do it, all it did was expand. And it looked pretty cool, so I wanted to try it. So, yes, I finally got a tripod, but it's in the microwave, so. That looked so cool.
Cheeseburgers, you idiots.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are, you idiot. They have cheese on them.
That's egg.
They're cheese. Look, cheese.
Yeah, that's still breakfast.
Oh, God,
There's egg on it too. Sisters.
Never mind, these are cheeseburgers. Help me, I can't get it wrong. Come on. How many of these can we have? What is that?
You have to leave it in the package, Katie. Okay, let's stop the microwave. And let's see what it looks like.
Your mom's gonna be mad at you. You're using the marshmallow fluff.
What?
You're using marshmallow fluff, aren't you?
No. Well, this is what it turned out to look like. Oh, it looks so cool. See? Oh. It's already hardening. Well, it's hot. What are you doing, Katie?
Making breakfast, you dumbo.
Press stop, clear.
I just did! Stop!
Take 2 minutes to cook. Ours.
Told you. What the heck is that stuff?
Well, my sister's asking me what it is, and it's Ivory soap.
Oh, yeah, you're telling me that.
Oh, it gets hot. You can feel it.
No.
This part's not hot. Feels weird, huh?
I don't care. Hungry. I'm
Oh, This looks so cool. Guys, you could try this at home. It's a cool experiment to try.
How long did you put this on for?
2 minutes. That's how long mine took.
Yeah, yours exploded.
No, it didn't. Because they're supposed to cook them in the package.
When they're out of the package, they don't take that long. Told you, when they're out of the package, they don't take that long, Dumbo. Fudge. Hi.
Jeez. It kind of looks like snow. See, just let it harden. Oh, it looks so cool. Put the tripod back up here. It looks so cool. Like, it's like a puzzle. I wonder what it does in hot water. Looks like poop, like white poop. These like. Oh, it looks so cool. It's fun to play with too. It's like dried out Play-Doh. Play-Doh. I'm so tempted to get a bowl of hot water. I'm doing it.
What are you guys trying?
Nothing. He said this experiment was over. So, let's try a small piece first. Oh, I think I put it, oh, it feels like soap. It's like soapy water. It's sticking to my fingers. I don't think this will work with other soap though. Hate when the weather has to change. You guys can barely see me. Remember, 3 shoutouts. Sleep down in the comments. See, I know I don't have very many subscribers to give shoutouts yet, but I'm not used to the YouTubing world quite yet. I'm still getting used to it. Let's just say that. So, yep. Like, comment, and most of all, subscribe.